हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे आप सब लोग? बढ़िया पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं? कैसी चल रही है पढ़ाई? क्या आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं डायमेंशनल फार्मूला की? क्या आप लोगों ने तीनों एप्लीकेशन कर ली है डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस की? लास्ट टाइम मैंने कौन सी एप्लीकेशन पढ़ाई थी? थर्ड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. इन दैट आई गेव यू वन क्वेश्चन, that is 1 joule is equal to dash erg. 1 joule is equal to dash erg, where joule that is SI unit of energy and erg that is CGS unit of energy. Have you converted joule into erg? What is the relation between joule and erg? 1 joule is equal to 10⁷ erg. जितने लोगों को भी ये आंसर मिला है उन लोगों का आंसर करेक्ट है. 1 जूल इज इक्वल टू 10⁷ अर्ग. यूजिंग थर्ड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस वी कैन कन्वर्ट जूल इनटू अर्ग वेरी इजीली. जैसे हमने न्यूटन को डाइन में कन्वर्ट किया था. 1 न्यूटन की वैल्यू कितनी थी? 10⁵ डाइन. वैसे ही 1 जूल इज इक्वल टू 10⁷ अर्ग. अगर आप लोगों ने इसे सॉल्व नहीं किया है तो इसे सॉल्व करिएगा. एक और न्यूमेरिकल करवा रहा हूँ बेस्ड ऑन थर्ड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. आइए देखते हैं एक्सरसाइज न्यूमेरिकल 2.3. दिस न्यूमेरिकल इज बेस्ड ऑन थर्ड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. एज वी हैव कन्वर्टेड न्यूटन इनटू डाइन, सेम वे हियर ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट वन सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट इनटू अनदर. अ कैलोरी इज अ यूनिट ऑफ हीट एनर्जी. A calorie is a unit of heat energy. So calorie is the unit of energy and it equals about 4.2 joule. मतलब हमें क्या दिया हुआ है? 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule. This is the relation between calorie and joule, where 1 joule is equal to 1 kg meter square second raised to minus 2. So this can be written as 4.2 kg meter square second raised to minus 2. Calorie is the unit of heat energy. 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joule. But what is the value of 1 joule? 1 kg meter square second raised to minus 2. 1 joule is nothing but 1 kg meter square second raised to minus 2. So we can write 1 calorie is 4.2 kg meter square second raised to minus 2. Suppose we employ a system of units in which the unit of mass equals alpha kg. New system of unit is given. In that unit of mass we have to take alpha kg. System 1, that is kg meter square second raised to minus 2. In new system, unit of mass that is alpha kg. The unit of length equals beta meter. लेंथ का यूनिट क्या दे दिया? बीटा मीटर. The unit of time is gamma second. अल्फा बीटा गामा. तो अब मास, लेंथ और टाइम के यूनिट बदल दिए गए. अल्फा केजी, बीटा मीटर, गामा सेकंड. सो दैट अ कैलोरी हैज़ अ मैग्नीट्यूड 4.2 अल्फा इनवर्स बीटा रेज टू minus 2 गामा स्क्वायर. हमें कुछ प्रूव करना है. सो दैट अ कैलोरी हैज़ अ मैग्नीट्यूड इन न्यू सिस्टम that is 4.2 alpha raised to -1 beta raised to -2 gamma square in terms of the new system. We have to find numerical value n2 for new system. Already we have studied formula of physical quantity, that is q is equal to nu. But magnitude of physical quantity will remain same. Therefore n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. So this can be written as n1, what is u1? m1 l1 t1. Dimensions of mass, length and time a, b and c is equal to n2 m2 L2 T2. Dimensions A, B and C. Using this formula we have to obtain numerical value 2 n2 obtain करनी है. चलो, first of all tell me what is the dimensional formula of energy. Already we have obtained the dimensional formula of work or energy. What is the dimensional formula of energy? मुझे बताओ एनर्जी का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला क्या होने वाला है. डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ एनर्जी दैट इज m1 L2 T minus 2. Dimensional formula of energy that is m1 L2 T minus 2. So from this we can write the values of A, B and C. Dimensions तो हमें मिल गए. So A that is 1, B that is 2 and C that is minus 2. 1 2 minus 2. चलो ए बी सी की वैल्यू तो मिल गई. अब सिस्टम 1 और सिस्टम 2 पे बात करते हैं. लेट अस राइट द यूनिट्स ऑफ मास लेंथ एंड टाइम इन सिस्टम 1 एंड सिस्टम 2. System 1 and here system 2. In system 1 m1 is equal to 1 kg, L1 that is 1 meter and T1 that is 1 second, kg मीटर सेकेंड. चलो सिस्टम 2 पे आ जाते हैं. m2 that is अल्फा kg. In system 2 unit of mass that is alpha kg, L2 beta meter and T2 that is gamma second. चलो m1 L1 T1 मिल गया, m2 L2 T2 मिल गया. न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू 1, दिस इज नथिंग बट n1 u1 is equal to n2 we have to find in new system that is unit 2. नए सिस्टम के लिए न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू 2 फाइंड करनी है. बताओ n1 क्या हुआ. n1 is equal to 4.2 and n2 that we have to find. Using this formula we can find n2. Using this formula we can find numerical value for new system. बताओ क्या बनेगा n2 का फॉर्मूला. n2 is equal to n1 n2 is equal to n1 m1 by m2 raised to a, L1 by L2 raised to b, T1 by T2 raised to c. What is n1? 4.2. What is m1? 1 kg. What is m2? alpha kg raised to a. What is L1? 1 meter. What is L2? beta meter raised to b. What is T1? 1 second. T2 gamma second raised to c. kg will get cancelled, meter will get cancelled, second will get cancelled. Therefore we can write 4.2 1 upon alpha, that is alpha raised to minus 1 raised to a. What is a? a is equal to 1, so alpha raised to minus 1 raised to 1. 1 upon beta, that is beta raised to minus 1. What is the value of b? 2. 1 upon gamma, that is gamma raised to minus 1 raised to c. What is the value of c? Minus 2. So that is nothing but 4.2 alpha raised to minus 1 raised to 1. It is alpha raised to minus 1 it is alpha raised to minus 1. Beta raised to minus 1 raised to 2, beta raised to minus 2, and gamma raised to minus 1 raised to minus 2, gamma raised to 2. So n2 is nothing but 4.2 alpha raised to minus 1 beta raised to minus 2 gamma square. So we can say that 1 calorie has a magnitude 4.2 alpha raised to minus 1 beta raised to minus 2 gamma square in terms of the new units. From this it is clear that n2 is nothing but 4.2 alpha raised to minus 1 beta raised to minus 2 gamma square. So this way we can find numerical value for new system. To convert one system of unit into another system, we can use third application of dimensional analysis. So all the three applications of dimensional analysis are important. उसकी प्रैक्टिस करें, वो आपको बहुत काम आएगा. स्टैंडर्ड 11 और 12 दोनों में आपको डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस काम आने वाला है. इवन इन द कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम दिस टॉपिक डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Now we will solve exercise numerical 2.2. Let us solve one more numerical, exercise numerical 2.2. Fill in the blanks by suitable conversion of units. 1 kg meter square second raised to minus 2 is equal to dash gram centimeter square second raised to minus 2. Again conversion of unit. kg to gram, meter to centimeter, second to second. So we have to convert one system of unit into another. Here you can use third application of dimensional analysis also, or you can convert directly. 1 kg meter square second raised to minus 2 is equal to, tell me, 1 kg is equal to dash gram. 1 as it is kg, kg is equal to dash gram. Kilo, kilo means 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3 gram. Meter square, 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. बताओ मुझे, 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter, 10 raised to 2 centimeter square. Second as it is, second raised to minus 2. So this can be written as 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 2 raised to 2 into 10 raised to 4 gram centimeter square second raised to minus 2. 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 4, 10 raised to 7 gram centimeter square second raised to minus 2. So this is the answer of A, 10 raised to 7 gram centimeter square second raised to minus 2. So 1 kg meter square second raised to minus 2 is 10 raised to 7 times gram centimeter square second raised to minus 2. So directly we can convert kg into gram, meter into centimeter, and this way we can convert one system of unit into another system directly. मतलब ऐसी छोटी चीज़ों में डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस का यूज़ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. फिर भी अगर आप करोगे तो आंसर यही आने वाला है, 10 raised to 7. आइए देखते हैं सेकंड केस में क्या बोल रहे हैं। 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू डैश लाइट ईयर। तो हमें मीटर को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, लाइट ईयर में। तो उसके लिए पहले हमें लाइट ईयर की वैल्यू मालूम होनी चाहिए। व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 लाइट ईयर? 1 लाइट ईयर इज इक्वल टू 9.46 इंटू 10⁻15 मीटर। याद है आपको, मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ में पढ़े थे। 1 लाइट ईयर इज इक्वल टू 9.46 इंटू 10⁻15 मीटर। देयरफॉर 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 1/9.46 इंटू 10⁻15 लाइट ईयर। 1 meter is equal to 1/9.46 into 10⁻15 light year. So this is nothing but 1.053 into 10⁻16 light year. 1 into 10⁻16, that is nothing but nearly 10⁻16 light year. So we can write 1 meter is nearly equal to 10⁻16 light year. So the answer is 10⁻16 light year. C. 3 meter per second square is equal to dash kilometer per hour square. We have to convert meter into kilometer and second into hour. In third case, we have to find 3 meter per second square is equal to dash kilometer per hour square. So 3 meter per second square is nothing but 3 as it is. 1 meter is equal to dash kilometer. याद करो, 1 kilometer is equal to 10⁻³ meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 10⁻³ meter. Then 1 meter is 1/10⁻³ kilometer. So that is nothing but 10⁻³ kilometer. Upon second square we have to convert in hour. In 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Then 1 second is equal to 1/3600 hour raised to 2. That is nothing but 3 as it is into 10⁻³ denominator numerator into 3600 square kilometer per hour square. 3600 into 3600 into 3 into 10⁻³ 3 into 3600 into 3600 into 10⁻³ is 3.88 into 10⁻⁴ kilometer per hour square. So we can write it like 3.9 into 10⁻⁴ kilometer per hour square. So this is nothing but 3.9 into 10⁻⁴ kilometer per hour square. So this is the answer. 3 meter per second square is 3.9 into 10⁻⁴ kilometer per hour square. Now we have to convert Newton meter square kg⁻² into centimeter cube second⁻² and gram⁻⁻1. मतलब CGS में कन्वर्ट करना है। MKS में दिया हुआ है 6.67 into 10⁻11 Newton meter square per kg square. This is the value of gravitational constant. G is equal to 6.67 into 10⁻11 Newton meter square per kg square. In SI system, value of gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10⁻11. into 10⁻11 Newton meter square kg⁻². We have to convert in CGS. So 6.67 into 10⁻11 as it is. Newton we have to convert in CGS. Newton, that is SI unit of force. If we convert it into CGS system, तो याद हो तो न्यूटन का क्या था? न्यूटन is nothing but, here we can write Newton is nothing but kg meter square, kg meter second raised to minus 2. Newton is nothing but kg meter second raised to minus 2. So here we can convert this kg meter second raised to minus 2 into gram. But before I convert it into CGS, instead of Newton we can write kg meter second raised to minus 2 meter square kg raised to minus 2. So this can be written as 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 kg into kg raised to minus 2, that is kg raised to minus 1, meter into meter square, meter cube second raised to minus 2. अब ये हमें kg मीटर और सेकंड में मिल गया. हमने न्यूटन को किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया? kg मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर में. ये हमने पढ़ा हुआ है, डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस में पढ़ा हुआ है. डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला ऑफ फोर्स mLT-2, मास दैट इज kg, L that is meter and time that is measured in second. So kg meter second raised to minus 2. Now we have to convert kg into gram, meter into centimeter and second as it is. 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. Tell me, kg, 1 kilometer is equal to 10 raised to 3 meter, then 1 kg is equal to dash gram. Kilo means 10 raised to 3. So 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 kg, that is 10 raised to 3 gram raised to minus 1. 1 meter is equal to dash सेंटीमीटर. 1 मीटर बराबर कितने सेंटीमीटर होंगे? 100, that is 10 raised to 2 सेंटीमीटर raised to 3 second raised to minus 2. So this can be written as 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11, 10 raised to 3 raised to minus 1, 10 raised to minus 3 gram raised to minus 1, 10 raised to 2 raised to 3, that is 10 raised to 6 centimeter cube second raised to minus 2. So this can be written as 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 minus 3, minus 11 minus 3 minus 14 plus 6, 10 raised to minus 8. So this is 10 raised to minus 8 gram inverse centimeter cube second raised to minus 2. So this way we can convert Newton meter square kg raised to minus 2 into gram inverse centimeter cube second raised to minus 2. So the answer of this case is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter cube second raised to minus 2 second raised to minus 2 gram inverse. So this is nothing but conversion of one system of unit into another. अगर आपको डायरेक्टली कन्वर्जन करना है तो डायरेक्टली भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस का यूज़ करना है तो डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो फाइनली वी हैव कन्वर्टेड ऑल दिस units into different system of unit. So today we have solved two numericals, exercise numerical 2.2 and exercise numerical 2.3. Next time we will study about significant figures. प्रैक्टिस करते रहें, पढ़ाई करते रहें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. थैंक यू.